How do you handle the amount of administration at your department? Using phone, lists, folders, post-it notes, or Excel files? It's time for something smarter, something that replaces your manual routines. It's time for an automatic digital IT solution that gives you time to focus on more important work. Cambio Healthcare Logistics is a comprehensive system for efficient business flows in health and care. It gives you full control of, among other things, consumables, aids, documentation, and medicines. All the tools you need are available on your mobile phone. The system can be used both mobile and on your computer. Cambio's system digitizes the manual routines. You get easy access via mobile devices and fast reporting of work performed. The system works both as a standalone solution and linked to Cambio's other systems, such as Cosmic and Viva.